Hey, what's up guys? Matt here with Fix Anything Save Money. Today we are going to be giving you a quick tutorial on this Kobalt leaf blower. This is model KLB 1040B-03. Okay, so we're just going to be walking you through this really quick. This is a very simple tool to use. I'm just going to be, showing you how to install the tube and put the battery in and also charge the battery, because I get that question a lot in my videos. So we'll go first showing you the battery. You can see here, this is a 40 volt 2 amp hour battery. See, we have 3 bars of charge here. So we'll just show you how to actually put it onto the charger first. And to do that, you're just going to flip it upside down, slide it in, and then it'll start charging, and it'll tell you when it's done. And then when you want to pull it back off, you just literally pull it out. And now we'll show you how to insert it into the tool. We want it like that. And then just press in until you hear it click. Okay. And then when you want to release it, just press this little black button here and it's going to pop out. Okay. All right, and now we'll just go through the blower really quick. So to install the tube, if this is fresh out of the box, you just want to line up this blue button with this little knob right here and just push it in. You hear it click into place, and then when you want to remove it, just press this blue button in and pull out. Okay. And now we'll just show you here. So here's our trigger when we want to use it. Here's our cruise control. This just depresses the trigger, so you can just use it without pulling the trigger in. And then when you're using it, say you have this trigger fully pressed, you're using it. If you want a little bit more speed, you can hit this turbo button and it'll increase the speed. So we'll show you that really quick. Okay. And then here's the cruise. And then here's the turbo. You can kind of hear that speed increase. So I got this as a combo kit from Lowe's. This is the 40 volt. So I got this and a string trimmer. I think it was around $300 for both. But this is these are the higher end ones. These are the brushless tools. So it was a really great deal. I also have videos up on the string trimmer that comes in this kit, showing you kind of how to assemble everything in one video, and then the other video on the string trimmer how to restring the spool. So if you guys are have both of these tools and you're interested in that, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Check out those other videos. And yeah, guys, hopefully this video helped you out. Like I said, if you have any questions, be sure to reach out in the comments. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If this video helped you out, be sure to give it a like. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Check out all of my other tool and DIY videos. Yeah, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.